Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to use this 3D embossing plate from SIZZIX. I should know the name of it, but I don't. But I will get it for you. And so it's a really cool looking, I think it's called the French tea, and it's a cool looking embossing plate. So what we're gonna do is we're going to figure out what is the bottom and what is the top. And so generally the name will be on the top. So we're gonna put this piece of gold cardstock in this folder. Generally we would spritz it with a little bit of water, but it won't work on these foil type pieces of cardstock. So I'm just gonna slip that in there. Can always trim it up if we have to. And I'm going to put it in my SIZZIX, or in this case, it's a Platinum 6 machine. So we're gonna use this 3D folder in a Platinum 6 machine. Then I'm going to take this piece of gold out and look at that beautiful embossing. How nice is that? See that fold over there? So I'm going to trim this up. So now that I've trimmed this up, it's ready to go on the front of a card. So this is a 5x7 card. So I figured I'd just mat it in black. Always use your bone folder to get a nice crease. I'm going to burnish that. And then I'm going to adhere this piece of black cardstock to the front of this card. And then I'm going to adhere this to the front of the card. Generally, I ask my students to put extra snail on embossed images because they tend to not stick as well. So we're going to center this in here. And then I have pre-made this birthday cheer. So I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on it. There we have a beautiful, unique card. Nice, right? Kind of a masculine one too. It's hard to find. There you have it.